Okay, hi guys. Our first Q&A video. Ayo, Mariam, Mariam, say hi.
Hi.
Sarah, say hi.
Hi.
Tara, say hi.
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 Okay, this is the fourth take because we are super nervous. We've never done a vlog like this. Yeah, lighting. Getting straight to the questions. We would like to answer these set of questions first. I'll try to put it on the screen somewhere here. Where is your new video? New video, please. Okay, so this is the first thing what we wanted to answer. We had to come down to Kerala for some urgent work, but now we are stuck here because there are no return flights back to UAE. Currently, it's suspended till like 14th June. So that is why we have not been able to make videos. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you already know that. And I had even put up a YouTube story on the same. So that's the first thing I wanted to answer. And it's difficult to make videos here because we're just still getting adjusted to the new routine. And over that, we don't even have a tripod stand. It's very difficult to hold the phone like this and talk. I wonder how people make vlogs. But that being said, we'll try to make some vlogs like this. But then our main thing is 1 minute short videos. That's what you guys are following us for. So we'll try to start making that as soon as possible. The pause is pause. How did you and Tara meet? What is your favorite food? Tara, what's your favorite food?
Momos.
Maria, what's your favorite food?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. That's it.
Ice cream.
Sarah, what's your favorite food?
Ice cream.
You also like ice cream?
I like pink.
Pink ice cream.
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Okay, how did you and Tara meet?
What is your favorite food?
Chili chicken and fried rice. Okay, here's another list of questions. Where are you staying? Not in India, yeah. Of course, we stay in Sharjah, but now we are in Kerala. But otherwise, we stay in Sharjah, UAE. Who told you to start a YouTube channel? Few friends and family had advised us in the beginning.
After we started uploading on Instagram.
Yeah, first we started uploading on Instagram. We mainly started uploading for people to see who are not on Instagram. Actually, we have a lot of cousins and uncles and aunts who are not there on Instagram. Okay, next. I have a question. Is the youngest one a boy or a girl?
Ice cream.
Okay, we have been asked this so many times. A lot of people are still confused whether her name is actually Maria or Marco. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Okay, that's Maria. We just gave Marco. Okay, Maria. Say Maria. We just named her Marco just for one video where she was just playing as a fictional friend of mine. Just gave a random name since her name starts with MAR and she's a girl. Okay, this one is nice. Arjun enda eppozhum Tare ghost aakane. I think she makes a beautiful ghost. But maybe that's a good thing. Maybe one day I'll play the ghost role. But I don't think I'll be as scary. I think people will just, let's see, maybe in one of the videos. Thanks for the idea. How long does Marco sleep? You want to answer, Tare?
She sleeps for about 1 to 2 hours in the afternoon and then from 7:30 to maybe 6:30. But she wakes up around 4 to 5 times in the middle of the night.
Yeah, Maria still wants to answer. Maria, how long do you sleep? How do you sleep, Maria? Close your eyes. Yeah. So initially, obviously, she wasn't actually acting. In the first few videos, whenever she was sleeping, we recorded her video. But now she actually sometimes acts as she's sleeping and she's actually started acting. And I like your username, all about Speed Cube, because I just learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube after coming down to Kerala. Did Nailosha really share your video? Yes, she did. And that was one of the turning points, I can say, because at that time, before she shared, we had close to 500 followers on Instagram. One fine day, she shared our video on Instagram and our follower counts went up to 1,000, from 500 to 1,000. So until then, we thought only our close friends and family were enjoying the videos. So when somebody like Nailosha, whom we had no previous connection with, shared our video, we were really motivated. And then otherwise, we were so close to stopping because it was something like a lockdown thing that we started just for fun. So when she shared it, it kind of made us think, okay, maybe we should just continue doing this. Okay, so I'm going to compile these 4 questions together. Who's the editor? Who's the cameraman? Who does a nice camera work? Who writes us short and sweet scripts? Okay, so it's all 4 of us. We are the cameraman, we are the director, the actors, the editor, the scriptwriter. In fact, Sarah and Maria have also recorded a couple of our scenes when Tara and I are in the same scene together. And kids also improvise a lot when we are recording. So they come up sometimes with their own sentences, own dialogues. Hey, wanted to ask, which app do you use for editing? It's called Filmora 9. I got the paid version. It's a one-time fee that I paid. I think it was close to 200-250 dirhams. that is close to 5,000 rupees, but it's a lifetime fee. There's no annual fees, renewal fees, nothing, and it's a very user-friendly software. So before purchasing this software, I just simply randomly Googled. I had no previous experience on this, and I read good reviews. It's a good software. Okay, here's another list of questions, but I'm going to answer these two highlighted. How much do you earn from YouTube? Okay, I know a lot of people want to know because I've seen similar videos, people asking, a lot of other vloggers making videos on their YouTube revenue and stuff. The exact amount, probably I'll make another detailed video on that because I know there are a lot of youngsters who are watching this and I would really like to help you guys out also if you're aspiring YouTubers. So it mainly depends on where your viewers are from. So if your viewers are mainly from US or Canada or Australia, you get more money per view, per ad view, whereas views from India or other Asian countries, the money is less. So we have a set of viewers from India, UAE, some from North America, some from Australia. So because of that, we are roughly getting about $1 to $1.5 per 1,000 views. So that is maybe close to $100 per 100,000 views. But then again, our videos are short, just 1 minute videos. If your videos are longer, you get more money because more ads can be placed into it. Okay, this is another question. How did your channel grow so fast? I think YouTube just randomly picked up one video. I think that one where Amma Ama, the confusion is there. What is that video called? Yeah, mother tongue problems. I think that video YouTube just picked up randomly and started recommending it to our type of audience. But otherwise, we haven't done anything special. Like we haven't used any hashtags or any tricks or tips, not that we know of, to get more subscribers. A lot of people ask me this actually. They DM me separately saying that how do you get more subscribers? I really have no clue. So what I know is if you have good engagement and if your content is good and probably if you have a good like to dislike ratio, I think YouTube will eventually recommend the videos. So in January itself, I think it was the biggest spike. I think from about 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, it went close to 80,000, 90,000. I would like to thank you guys for that. Yeah, because I was a person who used to watch. I still watch few YouTube channels, but until a few months back, maybe I was not the person who used to subscribe to YouTube videos. I never used to comment. I never used to even like. Right, I'm guilty of that. But is that? Not intentionally. I just didn't realize that they would benefit from it actually, and it never crossed my mind. So I would like to thank every one of you sincerely for actually commenting on the videos, subscribing to our channel, and that too without even us telling you constantly. That means a lot, and that probably helped our channel grow as well. Okay, this is a nice question. What is Akutta? Sarah, who calls me Akutta? Amma Baba. Okay, that's my pet name. I'll definitely recommend this channel to my friends, but wait, did you really score 97 out of 100? Yes, I did. Maths was one of my strong subjects, and Baki, I'm not talking about the other subjects marks. Apart from YouTube, where do you work? Okay, I have a business in Dubai selling SMS and email marketing solutions. And then apart from that, I am also doing some part-time fitness sessions. So I'm a certified personal trainer. Got certified purely out of passion. So currently I'm doing some online fitness sessions where I'm providing some online workout plans and some diet advice. Okay, this is a long list of questions. How do you choose all songs perfectly for each video? That actually takes a lot of time. I'll try to think of words in songs that I know of which match with our theme, the theme of that video. And then I try to search for it and then I just include it. What is your native place in Kerala? I'm from Ernakulam. Tara is from? We made a video on that. Okay, how old are your daughters? You want to say the age, Sarah? How old are you?
I'm 4.5. Maria's 1.
Maria, how old are you?
1.
Yeah.
1.
Maria is almost 2, right?
Yeah.
Next month
So
is your birthday?
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5. If you love to have a pet, which pet do you want? Okay, so I actually like all animals. I would love to have a dog. Tara actually had a dog earlier, right? Yeah, she had 2. But then I feel pets. Yeah, but I feel pets are a big responsibility. We've got 2 turtles at home now. It's quite easy to take care of, but then it poops a lot. Yeah, but so cleaning is a bit of a thing, but otherwise it's relatively easy to take care of. But dogs and cats are a big responsibility, so unless and until we can be sure that we can take care of them throughout, it is best, we feel, not to get them. But then once we are in a position, we know that we can get them and we are going to be in one place and we can take care of them. But otherwise, all animals. I had a pet snake. It was a ball python. That was during my college days. Do you both have nicknames? Akutta?
Tara.
And
Maya.
Maria, what do I call you? Maku, Mayu, Mariame. What do I call you? Shaku and Sarame.
Karan.
Tara doesn't have a pet name.
Yeah, it's already so short.
My pet name is Shad. Tara.
Tara. Okay, this question to Donny Bhai. How did you win Tara Chechi? Engane oppichu? Same to Tara Chechi. M for Mary. Matrimonial website. What are the most annoying things your daughters do, and how many of those things did you guys do in your childhood? They are a little bit naughty. Yeah. Sarah and Marie, do you fight with each other? Yeah.
I hate.
It's like
They do a lot of naughty stuff. Okay, one of the most annoying things is when once they finish sleeping and when we are still sleeping, they wake you up and they won't even let you sleep for another second. We haven't kept an alarm in the last 4-5 years. They make sure that you wake up when they wake up, and they wake up really early in the morning because they sleep early. Okay, but I used to be a very naughty kid. I used to annoy my sister so much. What was the hardest video you ever made? I think it was the very first video, the ghost video, because at that time that was the first video which I was editing. I think the entire video was like taken in 2 long scenes, so the timing, everything had to be right, and kids were actually sleeping on the sofa when me and Tara were recording it, so we couldn't make sound. We were just trying to whisper to each other. We tried to get the timing right, and we just had to balance. We didn't have a cameraman, so we just balanced the phone on a corner. We didn't even have a tripod stand then, and we somehow got it. So I think that was one of the toughest videos that we recorded, but we enjoyed that the most as well. Whose idea was starting the channel? Okay, so we never planned to start a channel. The first video that we made for Instagram, it was very spontaneous, very random decision. I wanted to get some practice with video editing to make fitness videos, and we started uploading the videos on YouTube just so that our family and friends who are not on Instagram could see the videos. So it was not exactly planned to start a YouTube channel. It was just one random decision to start making videos one day, and we just continued doing it. Is Sarah's mother tongue Malayalam? We've got a few questions like that. Why we speak in English in our videos and not in Malayalam? So when we started this channel, like I said, we didn't plan to make these videos viral, or that was not the intention. So we just wanted our close friends and family to watch our videos, the first few videos when we made. And we had a lot of non-Malayali friends as well. So we wanted everyone to understand, and that is why we spoke in English. And at home we speak both in English and in Malayalam. Of course, the kids know a lot more English. They understand Malayalam a lot and they know a few words. Sarah, do you know Malayalam?
A little bit.
Like what?
Like vellam.
What is Malayalam?
Vellam is water in Malayalam.
Okay, what is Malayalam? Sarah, Maria, do you know Malayalam? They watch a lot of cartoons, information, educational videos on Netflix, YouTube and all. Because in these corona times, it's very difficult to do anything else. We can't get out, we're stuck at home all the time. So they do watch a lot of cartoon, and now Sarah's even started online schooling. So everywhere they speak or they communicate in English. So that's how they picked up English. But they do understand a little bit of Malayalam. And the main reason why we still talk in English majority of the time is because of that. Because fortunately, we have now a lot of subscribers and followers from all over India, and we are really happy with that. And another thing, I was born and brought up in UAE, not born exactly, since I was like 7 or 8 years old. So I really haven't learned Malayalam in school. So I speak Malayalam very fluently, but I don't know how to read Malayalam. I somehow can manage some letters like ka, va, pa and all that, and then I can somehow make out the words. But if it's a very long sentence, it'll take time. So that is why sometimes I don't even reply to comments written in Malayalam. So once I remember, there was a comment saying, ഇയാൾക്ക് ഭയങ്കര ജാടയാണല്ലോ, ഇയാൾ മലയാളം കമൻസിനൊന്നും റിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യില്ലല്ലോ, only for English comments. So that's the truth. Sometimes I try to ask Tara, translate it, and then I reply. So yeah, so that's about the mother tongue and our language. Okay guys, so I'm going to conclude this video. This is our first Q&A video. Let's see how this goes. I have no idea how the editing is going to happen. It's not like a recorded video. We have not done a vlog before. So I know Tara and the kids didn't speak much, but it was a big mess here. Yeah, it was a big chaos here. But if this goes well, let's see. In future, we might once in a while. I mean, our focus is going to be on 1-minute videos, short videos. But if there are days like these where we can't make the short videos, then we'll try to put up more Q&A videos, or we might even try going live once in a while. Okay, so now that being said, for the next few days, at least until 14th June, like I said, the flights are suspended, so we won't be going back to Sharjah. And it's very difficult to make videos here currently because of Sarah's online school timing.
timing is also a little.
Yeah, it's way off because it is matching with the UAE time, right? So her school timing with Maria's sleep timing, with Tara's work, with my work, everything it's a little difficult, and plus we don't have a tripod stand. And stay tuned because we have done a video with another content creator that is in Malayalam and in English. It's about we won't say what it's about, but I know we haven't asked you to please subscribe or stuff like that, but then now I would like to say please at least stay subscribed. Those who are already subscribed, stay subscribed, don't go anywhere, because we'll be back to making videos like this very soon. So yeah, awkward ending again. Sarah, bye. Sarah, say bye.
Bye.
Maria, say bye. Maria, say bye. No, here, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Ta-da.